Hey guys, so we're skating today. I'm here with my cousin. So we're gonna take you along. It's gonna be a short video because I don't want to drop y'all and I do not really know how to skate that good. So yeah. Right now we're in the arcade. Look at all those things. There's my cousin. Haley. Haley, say hi. Hi. Like, we're not actually playing these. We're pretending. There's this motorcycle. There's my sister. Say hi. Hi. There's all these games in our thing. So yeah, we are just pretending to play games basically. And we're gonna go skate now. Sorry if you can't hear me, but I think you can, so I don't know. But it is so cool. This is so cool. I'm walking on my tippy toes. Whoa. I'm in skates, so it's hard to walk on carpet, but yeah. Skating on carpet, trying to get to the skate deck. Woo. So, I'm getting where there's air, like right here. Okay. I'm walking. Perfect. And there's air. Okay, I'm gonna skate at the edges so I don't drop the phone, but guys, look. Woo. That's so fun. Here comes my cousin. We're skating. Today, well, the other day, well, I didn't break. I had surgery. It's on Facebook. It's on Facebook, so if you're on Facebook, look. But that surgery, yesterday, it was they put me asleep with cotton candy. So, we're going to be skating across, and so I'm gonna flip the camera around. Okay.